out and about with D'Angelo. Going around the city step by step. All the patios are full every day. City bikes, good transportation to get around. That's St. Lawrence Market you just came from. You got a mirror on the wall for that too. Nice painting, nice picture of actually nice photo, enlarging photo of Toronto St. Lawrence Market. You watch my other episodes, you notice I was in there, and that's a picture of it on the wall here. So cool. Nice artwork. Toronto's full of art. Everywhere you go, you'll see something of pictures and art and crafts and all that stuff, you know. Toronto's so historic for that. Anyway, as on my walk, I see these things and I just bring it to you guys because I think some of them are so cool. Paintings on the wall is everywhere. Cheers, mate. That ice cold beer looks really nice. Wow. I think I just gonna get some of that. Take care of each other and peace out.